After launching Realme P3 Lite 5G back in September this year, the company has now launched the 4G version of it in Poland, with different design and specifications. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme P3 Lite 4G features a tall 6.67-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate support, and it is protected by Panda Glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Uni SoC T7250 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme P3 Lite 4G sports a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the unspecified secondary lens, and for selfies it has 5-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6,000 mAh battery, with 15 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on Realme UI skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.8 by 75.9 by 7.79 millimeters, and it weighs around 196 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme P3 Lite 4G has been priced in Poland at 600 Polish zloty, and it is now available for purchase in the country in green and white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme P3 Lite 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.